Domestics protected telephone hard guys are doing. I need to share. Good morning. My love, know that there is nothing better than waking up with you in bed, even after having spent the night thinking about you. When I think or dream about you, you the best thought just come to my mind. I hope today you waken up in a good mood, happy and able present yourself to the world with your bright eyes, with your most beautiful cloth to bring more beauty to this little plant of our. You have the gift of bring me hope in a station from the time you wake up. Let me tell you good morning to the moment when you will go to sleep, and I wish you good night and sweetheart dream. You have the talent of transformator anything into something more beautiful than the moment when it was created. As you added warmth and joy to our world. Without you, your love be sadder and the days would be darker. I hope you have worker quite faith include me in that last toy. My wish is dated. We are always happy. Good morning, Bibi. Something that has been weighing heavily on my heart. I am not real happy knowing you have been chatting with someone. Imposters forget the deep bond we share. I am Father Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and I have been honest and true with you from the first start. It hurts me to think that you me have kept me or allowed other to come between us. My love for you is real, and I want to know. Remember the connection we share, the trusted we blade, and the dream we create together. Please let's focus on you, us, and not let anyone distract from what we mean to each other. Our path can become challenges or mema non-threats. My love preceding because it was stays forever and steadfast. There is no depth that I completely crash you. You are someone or ring. I am thankful for finding you. I have never felt a claim, call, and relaxing kind of love. The past you have allowed me to experiencing something that I will be remember for the rest of my life. And now that we all enjoy not only that but tomorrow and forever, and you are my future. When I think of you, always think about that good. I did have a beautiful angle, like you came, like strong lighting. You are impacting, significant, changed my life for the better. That is why I will never get tired of thinking you for interpreting my life. Thank you for aspecting everything that I am. What I see you in my glorifying one day, one and only. My love for you is lost this moment. You are probably confused and not aware of how you truly feel about yourself. I understand I am not in you thought and cannot defining that you are thinking, but I am confronting a wear that my eyes whistling see that I look at you. I wear when that your beauty is bound compel because there nobody in this world is perfect and beautiful as you. I wish you could see through my eyes that they visually see that is an amusing, describably excellence of a woman that I will love keep for the rest of my life. Her you are beauty and flaws imperfection make here. She is really is the way. You know that I love you very much. All right, and that I would do anything for you. That you are the most beautiful, intelligent woman in this, and that any would be lucky for a girl half as great as you said it half I get to w double of what you will make me every else the luckiest in the world, and that is pretty freaking sweet. I love you so much, Bibi. I don't want to forget that even when I am irritable and do not show you how much that I love you so much. Everything I have would be willing to die for you if I needed to, simply because this is nothing without you in it. Make this world a better place to have life. Love you because